Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. We've got some interesting updates from Grayscale, and this could actually be massive for XRP and Avalanche, okay? Could we have some big gains for these projects? And trust me, I will explain. Before we do that, today, January 7th, is my mother's birthday. So, Mom, I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you've done for me and my sisters. Thank you for sacrificing so much. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for being an amazing Nana to my babe. And most importantly, I am wishing you abundance and love and just health and, of course, a boyfriend for 2024. So you always got to shout her out. Shout out, Mom. If you haven't called your mom in a while, this is your sign to call your mom. I don't care if you're bickering. I don't care if you're beefing. Figure it out. Call your mom, because that's the person that brought you, the woman that brought you into this world. So always show respect for the moms and the dads too. But it's my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna give shout out to my mom. My mom is absolutely amazing. She is the best ever. So we're going to go ahead and get into it because there's a lot of things happening in the market. This weekend has been absolutely insane. Like, most of you guys watched a live stream on Saturday that was basically indicating the letter from Better Markets that was affiliated with Gary Gensler, or excuse me, not Gary Gensler, with Elizabeth Warren. And Warren and Gensler worked together on this thing for Biden, I believe, like all kinds of crazy stuff. So it's basically like in the 11th hour, the public servants from that particular side that don't like crypto, they're coming out of the woodwork trying to stop the Bitcoin spot ETFs from getting approved. Unfortunately for them, I doubt it's going to happen. The reason why I doubt it's going to happen is in fact because who's at my door right now? Is my nephew here? Let's see. I doubt it's going to happen. Primarily being like there's too much money involved, like Goldman Sachs and BlackRock and all these companies. So I don't think it's going to happen. I think we're supposed to get the Bitcoin spot ETF approval between the 8th and the 10th. So possibly tomorrow. I've got most of my Bitcoin on cold storage, so I'm going to go ahead and start moving that over to a couple centralized exchanges and start sending some limit orders because I have some targets that I want to get to now. That's just kind of a recap of what happened yesterday. But I do want to talk to you guys about this news with XRP and Avalanche because this is pretty massive. And we're going to cover Bitcoin weekly close. I know that weekly close hasn't happened yet. We'll get into it. But right now, I don't know what the Hee-Haw Corgi AI is, but this thing is up. GMT is up. Stacks, shout out to Stacks. Beam is down 6.4%. HNT up 6.2%. Near down 5.9%. Now let's talk about this news. This is in regards to the clickbait title here. So good morning to TikTok. Happy Sunday. Go Seahawks. Go Hawks. And good morning to YouTube. We have 228 intelligent, beautiful, respectful, kind people that are watching, people that love to do their own due diligence, people that are interested in self-education. So I appreciate you guys for being here. Special shout out to Alexandra and to Crypto Gamer and to everybody else up in here and Crimson Caravan Company, CCC. So this is why I'm going to show you the story here, okay? And let me, too much going on. Cinnamon rolls. We're getting cinnamon rolls for breakfast this morning. So Dee and Lo, they're making them right now. I had a delicious egg, like omelet sandwich to die for. Anyways, this is the news. So as you know, Grayscale has got trust. Okay. Trust funds, all kinds of stuff. Grayscale, actually, if it wasn't for Grayscale, we might not get these Bitcoin spot ETF approvals because Grayscale actually went to court and fought the SEC on that because they wanted to convert their trust over to ETF. SEC said no. And basically, Elizabeth Warren is asking the law to be ignored for their best interest. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. This is from Grayscale. New for this quarter. Avalanche and XRP have been added to Grayscale Digital Large Cap. Thank you. Matic has been removed from GDLC and Curve has been removed from Grayscale's DeFi fund, DEFG. This is insane news. So I don't have a whole lot of XRP. I don't think I have any Avalanche right now. Matic, this makes me sad because I've got a fat bag of Matic. So I'm a little bit down on this one. However, I do think that Matic will be okay. Because of the value that it adds as a layer 2 solution to Ethereum. I do think it'll be okay. But this is not good news. But it's like Grayscale has so much junk anyways that they have. Like I think they have like what was it? Ethereum Classic, that type of stuff on there. So this is big news. And this is why I think that that Avalanche and XRP may perform well. Why? Well, let's talk about it. Grayscale is like a traditional financial firm that's kind of crypto affiliated. They provided a lot of TradFi services to a lot of big players for a very, very long time. They're going to lose a little bit of their market share, probably because Bitcoin spot ETFs are coming into play. But this is big news for the entire industry. Grayscale has a lot of assets under management. So this is something to pay attention to. So if you're somebody who's like, okay, I don't really know how to do my due diligence, what should I invest in? I don't know. Taking a look at what Grayscale, the different types of products that they have. Thank you for the hot dog and the ring light. Lo will love that. But, and I'm not saying to copy trade them, but that might be a good place to start, is to see what assets Grayscale is interested in. Why? They're a big traditional financial firm. They have a lot of assets under management, and these guys have been around. They know what they're doing to an extent. Okay. I'm not saying to blindly trust anybody, but I would not fade Grayscale. So that's just my personal opinion. I think these two cryptos will potentially do well. I'm very bummed about Matic. Curve, I'm very bummed about. Curve is a very important DeFi project in the industry. So a little bit bummed about that, but it is what it is. So if you're holding Avalanche and XRP, congratulations. I might even start adding more XRP because of this news. So wanted to share that with you. Let's go ahead and take a look at some stuff over here. Let's take a look at, actually, we're going to start the show. We're going to take a look at XRP, and we'll do Avalanche first because we're here. We are here. Yeah, also Coinbase Ventures is an investment name. Yep. All right, let's get some likes up. We have 340 of you on YouTube, but only 95 likes. Get the likes up. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate it. We got to get rid of Geno's. Don't leave the hawks alone. We know. This is actually, this is BWAGs. I got this at the thrift store for like $8. Why did they drop it? Probably because of legal stuff. Shout out to Belfast. Go Seahawks. Thank you for the like this stuff. Okay, let's take a look. Shout out to Germany. Yeah, we got the Aunt Annie ones from the Costco. Okay, so this is gonna be Avalanche. What in the hee-haw is going on? I want to go ahead and I want to reset the chart. And I have a corded mouse because I have a Bluetooth issue with the phone. Okay, so this sucks. This is Avalanche. Avalanche literally is dumping from an all-time high of like I guess of last year. Was this? Yeah, it was December 2023. It hit all-time high $50 and it's dumping to the EMA 9 based off of this news. This sucks, dude. What? That's not good. We don't like that. Okay, well, guess what? This might be a great place to buy a dip. So this is the weekly. Weekly isn't looking good. Market Cipher printed a red dot that generally indicates some more downward movement. MACD is looking like it's ready to bear cross. This could change at any given moment, though. That's the weekly. Now, taking a look at the daily. Daily is creating this pattern. It's called the descending wedgie. So basically, number goes down and then it pops back up. We really need to hold the line of $31. If we do not hold the line of $31, we will probably get down to about $26 to about $21. Okay, I don't think we're gonna have a full retrace to the lows in October of $9, but I do think we will get back over here to about 31 and possibly continue to go down. That's based off of the weekly, because weekly is not looking good. The 4-hour chart right now is looking like it wants a ping pong. This isn't the worst setup, but it's not the best. So right now, when you see price action like this, you're looking for some more consolidation to where we're going to hopefully get that breakout. However, I would be cautious just because of the way the weekly looks. But at the same time, because we have the Bitcoin spot ETF approval that could be coming between the 8th and the 10th, I would be cautious here. Okay, I would want to watch that. So that's what's going on with Avalanche. This is XRP. What is going on with XRP? This is good news. This is amazing. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, so this is going to be the weekly. Okay, let's go ahead and reset the chart. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to remove these drawing tools because I don't want them. I'm going to go ahead and draw a cute little trend line. That's not 100% the scale because I don't have to. All right, there's that one. Let's do here. Let's do from the swing wick low. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, reset chart. Okay, this is going to be the weekly. So this is what we're doing with XRP. XRP is actually following a trend line. I'm taking a look at Market Cipher. Market Cipher looks a little bit ugly. I'm taking a look over here. This is Market Cipher. Market Cipher looks a little bit ugly. MACD is already bear crossed to head down. So we probably will retap the trend line here at about 50 cents. Taking a look at the weekly. Now I'm taking a look at the daily, which this sucks that this is going down, man. That's terrible. Terrible. All right, so this is the daily. Daily is just kind of not looking good. We're really holding on to the EMA 200 here, but it looks like we're going to fall. I would be bullish short term if we got above 61 cents at this point. That's what I would look for. Taking a look at the 4 hour, 4 hour wants, 4 hours fighting, but we have a heavy, heavy resistance. So I would kind of watch this range with XRP, but I might actually purchase some, start buying some just because I want to make a little bit more money. But this is very important bullish news to denote. XRP and Avalanche being added again. I think XRP was already there, added to the grayscale stuff. Okay. It's a big, big thing in my personal opinion. XRP may get ETF after Ethereum. I mean, that is a big stretch. Okay. Let's talk about that for a little bit. Could XRP get an ETF after everything's said and done? It could, but right now, go Hawks. Go Hawks. My daughter's on the thumbnail with her Seahawks. She got a cheerleading outfit. D got it for her. But could we actually get an XRP? Let's ask this question. Could we get more crypto ETFs after the Bitcoin spot ETF is approved? Potentially. I really think that the next one we're going to get is going to be an Ethereum spot ETF. I don't think we have one yet. I think we're going to get an Ethereum, and then we can take a look at certain altcoins. I think a lot of the ISO 222 might get approved, XRP, so possibly. But at the same time, Bitcoin is very unique compared to other altcoins. So I would just keep that in mind. I wouldn't start placing those bets until we start hearing a little bit of chatter about it. And we haven't heard any chatter about it yet. But that could change, okay? So that's something you want to indicate in your trading and investing journal. Now, let's go ahead and take a quick look at Bitcoin. Take a quickie. Let's do a little quickie, baby. Because I want to eat my cinnamon rolls. And then I got my personal thing I got to do after this, for my self-care, because that's important. All right, so taking a look at Miss B, we're going to go ahead. We're going to go here. All right, we're going to go ahead, naked chart, baby. That's why we like it. Naked chart, smash the likes, smack the lights. Shout out to the 105 TikTokers there. And also shout out to the 415 concurrent viewers on YouTube. You guys are absolutely amazing. I appreciate your time this morning. I really, really just appreciate you guys rocking with me. And I hope that your team wins today. God bless you. The universe bless you. All of those fun things. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at Miss B. And please smash the like, pay it forward. All right, so we have been trading. We opened here at 42. We're currently trading here at about 44, swing wick high of 46, and then a swing wick low at the EMA 9 at about $40,600. Now, when we take a look what's happening, market cipher is kind of flat right now. Market cipher is kind of flat right now, but we did print a red dot. That's okay, though. This is the weekly. It's a little bit different. There are some analysts that are calling for like 27, 33, whatever. Could happen. Not saying it is or not. Okay. It really kind of depends, I think, what's going to happen with the Bitcoin spot ETF. And again, we should get some clarity soon. Now, when we do take a look, like this kind of price action right here, I'm actually going to change the color to, I'm going to do red. I'm going to change it. We've been pretty much consolidating in this range. And I've showed you this range on this chart over here. You can see $45,000 to $40,000. Cool. We've really just kind of been going sideways. This is a really nice bullish structure as far as the EMAs go. And taking a look at the daily. The daily not doing too terribly much. There wasn't a whole lot of price action. Again, we're just kind of ping-ponging and holding the line above the EMA 50 here. Okay. LimeWire. I love LimeWire. It ruined many computers of mine, but shout out to LimeWire. I think it's great that they've got presence in crypto. It's absolutely phenomenal. So as far as Bitcoin goes right now, there's nothing too terribly much. It's like we're pretty much undecided what's going to happen with price. And I think a lot of that is the fundamental stuff when it comes to the Bitcoin spot ETF. As far as this going over here, nothing too terribly great. I do know if you guys would like to trade with me, we are partnered with phemex. Phemex is a pretty cool exchange. I've been using them since the inception of the platform. I'm going to go ahead and drop my ref link there. If you do decide to use my ref link, not your keys, not your coins, and you need to read the terms of services. If you're somebody who wants to learn how to trade, I've got the Alpha U link down over here. I'm basically a bunch of crypto OGs that are my friends, have been trading for a very, very, very long time, and they can answer some questions, help you with some of the stuff. So I dropped those two links for those that are interested. But as far as Bitcoin goes, nothing too terribly exciting. I would not open a short position right now. I also would not really use leverage on this. And I don't think anybody should be using leverage. You shouldn't be using more than 2 to 3 times leverage. And that's only if you're an experienced trader. Okay. Now taking a look at the 4-hour chart. Right now, the 4-hour chart's flat. So overall summary of what's going on with Bitcoin right now, just as long as we don't break $40,000, I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be fine. However, one of the things I do want to tell you guys, okay? Right now, technical analysis. Oh, thank you. That's so pretty for TikTok. Thank you. I appreciate it. Right now, technical analysis doesn't really matter. I'm not seeing any, like sometimes I'm able to spot when we're going to get a pump or dip, even if there's like volatile news incoming. But right now I'm not seeing any of that. I'm not seeing any type of technicals that's telling me that we're bullish or bearish. Right now, I would purely like to pay. Thank you so much for the flowers. I really would like to pay attention to the news right now. Me personally, I'm holding a lot of Bitcoin. Not a lot, but a decent amount. Holding a teeny tiny bit amount. So I'm going to hold my Bitcoin. I'm going to be watching the market. I'm not going to be looking at any positions. The only thing I'm going to be looking to do is buy some of the dips on altcoins. I am interested now in buying more XRP and being more heavily invested because of the grayscale news. I think it's really, really important. That's a positive fundamental thing. Avalanche, I'll have to take a look at it. I heard the fees were kind of high over there. I'm not going to do anything with my Matic Polygon bag. I'm just going to continue to hold it. And then might add some more XRP. So that's what that. So what is my advice to you today? My advice for you today is consult your trading and investing journals and just prepare for some volatility, either up or down. Well, Wendy, that's not good. How could you post a stream, or how could you do a stream and not tell us where price is going to go? Well, when you have such big news like a Bitcoin spot ETF potentially being approved on the 8th to the 10th, you should be, I should be honest with you guys and tell you we don't know exactly what's going to happen, because if that thing gets denied, we could see a lot of liquidity leave the market. If it gets approved, we could see a lot of money coming into the market. So be cautious, be cool, be calm, collective. And also please understand, as far as the weekly close goes, we've got a little bit of time before the weekly close. We're about 5 hours and 11 minutes, and we can get a lot of news that comes out then. A lot of news. Okay, bullish or bearish, we'll see. Because one of the things I've been seeing that's been happening with crypto media and mainstream media, they're starting to post a lot of things after hour. So be diligent. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go spend time with my baby. Eat some cinnamon rolls. I hope you guys have a beautiful Sunday with your family. Go Seahawks. And if anything crazy happens, I'll keep y'all updated. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you so much for supporting me on this beautiful Sunday. I just appreciate you all very much. Shout out to the 487 watchers on YouTube. Let's get up at least to 469 likes. That'd be great. And then shout out to 86 on TikTok. Love you, babies. Bye. Thank you so much for the support. God bless.